Hi, today I'm Friday for Nokia C12 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So first, launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. So here you can see all your logged in accounts, and just to log out from the Gmail application, you should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device. Tap to your account and click to remove. Confirm your action by tap to remove account button. Are you sure? If you use some protect methods, just use them. After that, we can see that we just successfully log out from the Google account. Let's go back, let's refresh, and we can see that we also successfully log out from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.